Hello, once again. Welcome to the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. Thank you for visit. I appreciate your support. My name is Faye Cochran. I will be showing you part 6 of our comprehensive Sirius features video tutorial. Okay, here we go. Here part 6, we have the built-in help system, the Avalon lessons in encyclopedias, the advanced calculator, and the Astrosearch. The Astrosearch is where you do all the research features. This advanced calculator is really cool. I started using it, and the Avalon lessons it has 47 lessons in it. Even when you are already a professional astrologer or already know astrology, you can still enjoy this thing just for fun. The built-in help system, this is where you go to look for instructions on how to use parts of the program. You can also send us an email if you don't find the details within the help system, but I promise you it's really big help system, and there's so many pages that you can browse through. Okay, so the built-in help system it includes the comprehensive and user-friendly help system, complete with clear explanations, step-by-step instructions, and simple images. It is designed for anyone who is using the program, easy to follow. Just search for a topic and then the relevant information will appear on your screen. Okay, we also, if you cannot find the instructions in there, send us an email. We can create the video for you, or we can send you the steps. Okay, now the Avalon lessons, as you can see when you click on A in here within the program, you will see Astro Encyclopedia, Avalon lessons, Ayurveda Encyclopedia, Health Encyclopedia, Art Gallery. Okay, this section is designed for beginners seeking for educational materials, but even seasoned astrologers find it enjoyable. It's fun, visually rich, detailed, and highly informative. The Astro Encyclopedia, it includes articles, definitions, astronomical facts, and charts, synthesis, and everything. It includes the Avalon lessons, includes 47 complete lessons. Okay? Okay. Now, there's also an Ayurveda Encyclopedia. This is donated by Swami Sadashiva Tirtha. He has this very famous Ayurveda Encyclopedia book that he is actually selling in PDF format or in printed form, and he generously put it within the Sirius program so that everyone who is using the program can enjoy this subject of studies. Okay, the Health Encyclopedia, we have some sections in here that are astronomical, but it's really not astronomical. This is just for your reference. There's an essential disclaimer to read it before using this material, as we do not intend to replace professional medical advice or treatments. So use it as your reference only. Okay? And we have the art gallery. This section contains all the graphic images used within the Sirius programs, the report options. All contents is copyrighted and licensed exclusively for use within the Sirius software. It may not be used to or reproduced outside the program. Okay. Now, there's this really cool calendar. You can convert old style dates to new style Gregorian date. Calculate the number of days between two dates. Convert 24-hour time notation to 360-degree format. Convert right ascension, declination to and from longitude, latitude. You can also convert right ascension, declination to and from local space coordinates. This is ideal for advanced users. This calculator streamlines complex astronomical and astrological conversions. Okay, as you can see, this is the calculator. It is really cool. It is very, very easy to use. I'll be showing you this feature inside the Sirius program. Now, this is the biggest part of the program for doing research. I use this all the time with all of my research work. I just actually finished writing the 360, mastering the 360 vibration charts, and this is what I used, and I used it for more than 3 years, but completed it within 2.5 years. So it's now ready for you to purchase. It's an ebook. Okay, so this is the very big part within the program. See, these are the stuff that you can do within the Astrosearch. We have the Astro signature, matchmaking, compatibility, forecast research of one event, pairs, relationship, exploratory assumptions list research, midpoints and harmonic patterns, qualitative synodic cycle analysis, produce data for statistics software, specific astrofactors, specific astrofactors for compatibility, view birth data sorted by date, electional astrosignature forecast for one chart. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this within the program now. Okay, so here is the Sirius program. Here is where we are right here. Okay, so these 4 icons. This is the help, this is the Avalon lessons, this is the calculator, and this is the Astrosearch. Okay, if you're needing help or instructions for anything that you're in within the program, always click on this question mark. You can either click on this or click on help right up here. The same functions. I like you to use the little icons. They're cute and beautiful and it's fun. Okay, so we click on, oh, I'm sorry. As you can see, I was in the Astro clock section. This thing will not work when you are in a different section. I'm glad that happened. So let's just cancel this. Okay, so let's go to help. And then we have the Sirius manual in here. In here also, you can click on check for updates. You can click in here, check for updates if your program needs updating, and then it will download an update for you. If you have the most current file, then it will tell you that you do not need an update. You can also click in here to go to the internet tutorial section, but you need to be connected to the internet in order to do this. Now, this report option documentation, this is available to you if you installed any report options that are add-on to the program. Now, this is about Sirius. When you click in here, it will tell you what is going on in there and the details of the registered user. Okay, so let's click on help and we'll click on Sirius manual. Okay, this is such a big part within the program. Everything in here that you need. But if you cannot find anything in here that you're looking for, by all means, send us an email. Okay? So we can say, for example, let's search for progression. Okay, progress charts. There it is. You can also click on home in here, and it will take you to the beginning of the screen. You can click on each one of this. It will show you the opening window, for example. It's very, very simple and easy to use. Okay, so that is the Sirius Help Center. Okay, so we can close this. Okay, now the next one is the Avalon lessons. When you click in here, we have Astro Encyclopedia, Avalon lessons. We have it available in both English, Norwegian, and Turkish. Okay, let's click on English since this is the one that I know. And it will show us the Avalon lessons in here. I will move this to this window here so you see. Okay, so sorry, there's 47 lessons in here. So feel free to click on each one of them and read through it. Okay, all right, now we can close this. All right, the next one is the calculator. And this is the calculator in here. When you click in here, you will see all these features. It's really cool. There is the actual calendar here, which you can advance, and you can convert the old style date to a new style date, and convert it. Okay, and there is this here also, the regular calculator in here, and you can yeah, you can find the number of days in between two dates, and here they are. You can also convert the declination to longitude, latitude, and all this good stuff. If you already have the program and you have not been in here, give it a try. It's fun. Okay, so we can click in here. Now the next part, the main part, is actually the Astrosearch, and here this is the big one. I have videos of some of this already on the YouTube tutorial page, but these are the things that you can choose from. When you click on Astro Signature, it will take you here. You already have a lot of options in here to choose from. You can or you can create your own formula if you want. Let's go back to the previous one. This is the matchmaking section. All of these are documented within the help system. You can play with this as well. I'm just showing you this so that you know you're familiar with this when you come within this part section of the program. Here is the forecast research of one day, and it's really, really wonderful. Also, I use this for finding specific date for weddings and stuff like that. If you have narrowed it down to one day, then you can search the time for that specific date. Okay, all right, and then we have the pairs and relationship research. Play with this part. Everything is also explained in the help system. And here's also the exploratory assumption list research. I have a video of this already, and this is the one I use the most when I'm doing my research. And this is the midpoints or harmonic patterns, quantitative synodic cycle, produce data for statistics software, and specific astrofactors. This is cool, this is simple, and if you wanna look for planets in specific signs, you can find it here as well for each of the charts. Okay, so there is notes in here that you can read as well. So this is the part 6 of the Sirius comprehensive series. Okay, like I said, I'm just showing you this part of the program, but quite a lot of these are already in our YouTube tutorial videos. Okay, I hope you enjoy it and have a wonderful day, time, night, afternoon, wherever you are watching this video. Thanks again for your support and have a wonderful time.